Hi friends, myself Uday Kiran. Today my topic is computer aided software engineering, generally known as CASE. Today we discuss about what is CASE background, important of CASE, architecture of CASE, drawback of CASE, scope of CASE support to HDLC, CASE tools, summary and consoles. Coming to the CASE is a software tool to assess the development and maintaining of software. The software where the top software tools are used to design and implementing applications. This provides an automated support for the software process activities. And coming to the background, these were developed in 70s, designing software, introduced as CASE. These engineering principles to development and analyzing of software. Important of CASE. CASE allows for rapid development of software, produce system with longer efficiency operational life, mostly closer, meet use and needs and requirements with exact and less system support, produces more flexible systems. Coming to the main major topic and main topic of architecture of case. The below diagram which displays about architecture of modern case environment. User interface, toolset, object management system, generally known as OMS, which is interlinked with repositories. Coming to the user interface provide a general framework for accessing various tools to create it user to easy and different activities and provides overhead to learning the different tools and users. Coming to the topic OMS and repositories. As a group of entities like specific designs, text data, program arranging, etc. These are managing system maps through the logical entities such as repositories. These are the sum of the entities who are sizable amount of instance. So these are the management systems take care of mapping in different underlying storages management system. Coming to the drawback of case, it different to customize, not easy to maintainable, and weak, very complex, expensive, require training for the maintenance staff. Coming to the scope of the cases, case tools are grouped together so the such a case that functionality similarities and process activities and capabilities of getting integrated with other tools. Case tools goes throughout the HDLCs, system development life cycles. Coming to the HDLCs, planning, analyzing, designing, implementing, testing, maintaining. These are two cases, uppercase and lowercase. They are incommunicated with integrated cases. Case support to HDLC. Traditional HDLC to case support HDLC. Customer required that determines analyzing, designing, coding, testing, installing, operating, and the maintaining. These are performed by system analytic, programming, testers, installation team, maintaining team. We're coming to the case support HDLC, analyzing with uppercase, designing with uppercase, and coding with lowercase, testing with case testing tools, and similar as other case tools. Case tools are can be broadly divided into following parts based on this user at a particular HDLC stage. There are three case tools mainly upper case tool, lower case tool, integrated case tool. Upper case tools are used to planning, analyzing, and designing stages of HDLC. Lower case tools are also used for implementing and testing and maintaining. Integrated tools are help in all the stages of SDLC for requirements and gathering of testing and documenting. Case tools are majorly categorized of case tools as diagram tools, processing modern tools, project management tools, document tools, analyzing tools, designing tools, configuration management tools, change control tools, programming tools, prototyping tools, web developing tools, quality and arising tools, environment and maintaining tools. Case tools are majorly system component and data control for among the various software components and systems structured in graphical form. For example, flowcharts makes tools for creating state of the art flowcharts. Relational process used for creation and various others. Case tools, modeling tools. Process modeling is method to create the software process model which is used to develop the software. Software modeling tools helps the managing to choose the process of model or modifying as per the requirements of the software production. Example EPF. Coming to the project management tools, these tools are used for project managing, costing, and effect estimating, project scheduling, and resources planning. These are step in software project management. Project management tools are storing the sharing project information like time tracking, etc. in real life and real time throughout the organization. Example Creative Pro Office. Case tools, documenting tools. Documentation tools is a project starts in pros to the software process goes throughout all the phases of HDLC. User managing can be generated by the documenting tools. Examples Duogs. Case tools are generally known as analyzing tools for the data redundancy and automating checking. For example, accepting 360. Designing tools. Designing tools helps the software designing to design the block structure of the software, which may further be breakdown in smaller modules using the resilient techniques. Each modules and intercommunication among the modules generated by the designing tools. Example Maya and Keyshot. Bus tracking and delogging can be done in CM tools. Example Git. Change control tools. Case tools, automated changes track, file managing, code managing, and more. This deals with the changes of made on the software after the baseline in fixed or whether the software is first released. Example iTop. Thank you.